Step out of the vehicle.
No, kidnap me.
I'm not going to
Because I
kidnap
have a
you.
fee.
Step out of the vehicle or you're going to get tased.
Let me explain, okay? It's for my safety. I don't mean any harm to you.
Excuse me, but it's about my safety.
Okay, step out.
She doesn't want to provide any information.
Step out.
Are you going to kidnap me?
Get out of the car.
Help!
Get out of the car.
Help!
Go on your ground. Get on the ground.
Help!
Stop resisting.
These are times when sovereign citizens act like laws don't exist. Starting with this Florida driver who thought sovereign citizen magic words could somehow override real-world laws.
And I'm telling you that I am a real person with real arms and legs.
Step out.
She doesn't want to provide any information.
Step out.
Are you going to kidnap me?
Get out of the car.
Help!
Get out of the car.
Help!
Go on your ground. Get on the ground.
Help!
Stop resisting.
Help! Help!
In Florida, a simple traffic stop quickly spirals out of control when a sovereign citizen turns a routine violation into what she dramatically calls kidnapping. And of course, it was all captured on camera.
Good morning. My name's Officer DeLeon with the Malvern Beach Police Department. Just like to let you know that this traffic stop is being audio and video recorded, okay? The reason for the stop is just because of your incomplete stop during the stop sign at Ocean and Pine, okay? You just kind of stop right in the middle of the intersection after you've already passed the stop sign and the stop bar. You stopped in the middle of the intersection and then you proceeded to go, okay? Do you have a driver's license on you?
Okay.
You don't have your driver's license? Do you have a driver's license?
Yes.
Yes. Is it valid? It is valid. Are you the registered owner of the vehicle? I'm sorry? Okay. Any reason why it wouldn't be? Ma'am, you gotta speak up. I can't hear you very well.
Because I don't think it's necessary to travel in a car.
You don't think you need a driver's license to drive your car?
Right from the start, it's clear she's not your average driver. She invents her own no license needed laws. The FBI labels this movement extremist, but she treats it like proof of innocence. Meanwhile, the law is simple. To operate a motor vehicle, you must have a license, registration, and insurance.
What does that mean? Who's the registered owner of this vehicle? Do you have the registration for your vehicle? I don't need to see the registration for your vehicle. Why do you think that I don't need to see it?
Because what you're doing is illegal. I am traveling in my car.
You ran a stop sign
I didn't run a stop sign. I stopped.
in the middle of the intersection after you've already ran the stop sign.
No.
Okay. Do you have insurance?
Is that on video?
No, I don't. Do you have insurance? Okay. So you're driving a motor vehicle in the state of Florida. Okay. You're required to have a driver's license. You're required to show proof of insurance.
Are you under the oath?
Yes, I have my identification. 344.
Ma'am, you're repeating the rhetoric of a group the FBI labels a domestic extremist movement, so asking whether this female officer took an oath is frankly ridiculous. She already provided her badge number as required, and all of that information will be clearly documented in the report.
So what is the status of your driver's
So,
license?
officer, and I would like to know what caused, what harm,
10-4. May I have another unit?
harm was caused.
I'm sorry?
Why are you pulling me? What
I am pulling
harm-
you over.
What harm was caused?
Allow me to answer your question for the 4th time. The reason for your stop today is because you ran a stop sign, and now I'm initiating a traffic stop based off of that moving violation.
And I'm telling you that I am a real person with real arms and legs.
Right.
I'm not a corporation. I'm not the person on my identification.
Okay, but in the state of Florida, you have to have a valid driver's license. Yes, I am.
Do you realize that what you're doing right now is harassment?
No, what I'm doing right now is a legal traffic stop based off of the violation that I observed.
I am not.
So, do you have a driver's license?
Nobody has been harmed.
You don't have a driver's license? Okay.
Beach 33, Beach 40, commutes, B51, 1018, for 7 choices.
Have you ever been issued a driver's license in Florida? Okay, when was that? So, is it valid or is it not valid? Okay, but why won't you show your...
Because I don't have to.
Okay, I think you are very misinformed about the laws in the state of Florida. I'm not, trust me, I'm not.
There have been no harm done.
You ran a
Has
stop
any person
sign.
been hurt?
You ran a stop
Has
sign.
any property been taken?
No.
So you are harassing.
Even if we humor the bizarre idea that asking for your license counts as harassment, Florida Statute 784.048 still defines harassment as harassment, yet you just spent the last 5 minutes claiming the law doesn't apply to you because it's not really law. So you're in no position to accuse anyone of anything while cherry-picking the rules you like. And now that backup has arrived, she's getting out of that car whether she likes it or not.
Okay, you ran a stop sign, which is a moving violation in the state of Florida. You have no proof of insurance. You don't want to give me any of your paperwork.
I don't need any of that. I'm traveling in my car.
You do need that. You have to provide that documentation. Driving is not a right. It is a privilege.
No, driving actually is a privilege.
It is not a right, ma'am. It's not. It said on the driver's license that you say you were issued, it says on your driver's license that driving is not a right, ma'am. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to ask you to do is step out of the car.
Why?
Because I'm asking you to step out of the car. It's a lawful order. Because you are not cooperating with my traffic stop.
What's up?
I'm going to have her step out.
All right, step out. Step out.
She doesn't want to provide any information.
Step out.
Are you gonna kidnap me?
Get out of the jail. Get out of the car. You're going to jail. You're going to jail. Get out of the car.
Oh no.
Get out of the car.
Oh, hold on.
Get out of the car.
Help!
Get out of the car.
Help!
No, you're going. Get on the ground.
Help!
Stop resisting.
Help! Help! Stop resisting! All you can use
Car.
Oh my god!
Give me your hands.
Oh my god! Oh, you're hurting me!
Well, stop resisting. Stop
I gotta get up! It's hard! It's hard!
Well, then
it's
stop
hard.
resisting. We'll get you off the car. How about that? Good job, Ted. Good. Each 23. We'll have a white seat on. 10, 15.
I'm burning on the concrete.
We're going to get you up in a second.
We're all 10 Dad, you got out of the car like she asked you to?
Hold on, I'm trying to lock it.
Get up on your knees.
My glasses. I can't see without my glasses.
All right, we'll get them for you in a minute. Stand up. I thought about that before you resisted. Stand up. Get up.
I can't.
Stand up.
I can't.
Why can't you?
Because I'm very weak.
Okay. One leg at a time, okay?
Oh my god. I can't.
Come on, stand up.
I can't. It's burning me.
Well, then
get
get
up.
up. Stand up.
Can't.
Step up. 1, 2, 3. Walk to the phone.
I need my phone. I need my phone.
All right, look
I
at
need
it.
to search it.
Search it.
Help! I'm being kidnapped! Okay, my feet are burning. Can we have my shoes?
You'll have your shoes in a second.
She's yelling to get her shoes back, complaining her feet are burning, and insisting they're kidnapping me. The crazy part? You literally cannot make this stuff up.
Listen, next time an officer orders you out of the vehicle, you're required to get out. Do you
You don't
understand?
really have the right to
Yeah,
get my
yeah, we do.
I'm gonna need your
I'm
ID.
the corporal. I'm the supervisor. Case law says Pennsylvania versus Mims. All right, have a seat. Now you got a resistance charge.
How do I have a resistance
Yep,
charge?
you didn't get out of the car.
This woman was charged with resisting without violence and violating Florida traffic laws. She thought inventing her own laws would keep her out of trouble, but it didn't. Following the law is mandatory, driving is a privilege, and resisting officers only makes the situation worse.
Kidnap me.
I'm not gonna
Because I have a
kidnap you.
fee.
Listen, step out of the vehicle or you're gonna get tased.
Look here, bud.
Where's my wife? Where you can kidnap her? Stay in the car and leave the traffic stop, please.
Next up, we have a smug sovereign citizen ready to play FAFO. Find out what happens when she crosses the wrong Florida cop.
Sorry? You do not consent, you do not wish to contract with me, and you don't answer questions? Alright, turn your vehicle off for me.
20 seconds into the video and I'm already getting, this is not my first rodeo dealing with soft-sit vibes from this cop. I like where this traffic stop is headed.
Can I get 94? I got a sovereign citizen. Turn your vehicle off for me. 10-4. Ma'am, can you turn your vehicle off for me? Alright, listen to me. I know you don't answer questions, but you're going to listen to what I'm going to say. If you don't open the vehicle door and you step out and you turn the vehicle off, I'm going to break the window and I'm going to take you out of the vehicle and I'm going to take you under arrest. Okay, you understand that if you don't comply with what I'm saying, you are going to go under arrest.
Did I commit a crime?
Yeah, 10-4.
Did I commit a
Like I said,
That was contract.
10-4.
Not answer questions.
All right, one more chance.
Her brain is stuck on the same three sovereign citizen catchphrases. Luckily, the officer has a quick solution, a smashed window and a close-up meeting with the pavement.
All right, I'm going to have her 10-15. I need 94, but she closed the windows on me. I'm going to break the window. I understand that. It's a female driver telling me that, and I'm going to break the window and take her under arrest. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
No, kidnap me.
I'm not going to
Because I
kidnap
have a
you.
fee.
Listen to me.
No.
Listen to me, ma'am.
kidnapping.
You're going about this the wrong way. You're just going to get a citation. You're about to go to jail for resisting. You understand? So step out of the vehicle. Ma'am, I don't want to use force against you.
At the tone, please record your message. When you
Ma'am,
finish recording, you may hang up. Or
I don't want to use force against you. You understand that, right?
a callback number, press 5.
Ma'am. Okay.
And you can tell things are getting serious when the officers start losing patience and end up having to smash the car window. At that point, it's obvious the situation has completely escalated. Either the woman is going back to jail, or more likely, the husband, who didn't answer at first, finally checks the voicemail and heads to the stop.
Turn your vehicle off, ma'am. Open your vehicle door. Open your vehicle door. Step out of the vehicle. I'm breaking the window. Open the vehicle door. You are under arrest. At this point, you have no say. Open the vehicle door. Open the vehicle door. You're under arrest for resisting. Step out of the vehicle, ma'am. You are under arrest for resistance. Step out of the vehicle, ma'am. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. Step out. Step out of the vehicle. Yeah, break it.
I have fees for these fines. Millions of dollars. You guys are going to be sued as hell.
Step out of the vehicle or you're gonna get tased.
As you can see, the officers remain completely calm despite threats of $1 million lawsuit because they know the violations exist only in her mind.
Step out of the vehicle or you're gonna get tased.
You're kidnapping me.
Step out of the vehicle.
You're kidnapping me.
Step out of the vehicle. I don't want to hurt you. Step out of the vehicle and do what I say. Step out of the fucking vehicle. Get behind your back. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. You want to play games? Now you're under arrest.
And that, folks, is exactly how you handle a sovereign citizen who refuses to cooperate, especially in Florida, where their little script comes to meet its doom.
You guys are sued as all.
Yeah, that's fine.
No crime committed.
Yeah.
It's 4 available.
What do you think? I just got back. Dennis?
Simple as hell. You should have just complied.
You guys are screwed.
All right, ma'am.
You're screwed.
I'm gonna help you.
This is your last stand.
I'm gonna have you step up.
This is your last stand.
Stand up. Clear our 10
All of you. Brand new car. You guys are fucked.
Open. You're under arrest for resisting and whatever else I can see what's left on the vehicle. Your vehicle's gonna get towed. Do you understand each other's rights that I explained to you? All right. Got rescue coming to check your cuts. Then after that, going to jail.
This woman is charged with resisting arrest, failure to comply with law enforcement, various other violations and citations, including traffic-related offenses. Even though she had a valid driver's license, all of these problems could have been completely avoided if she had cooperated. The officers were very patient, but when she refused to comply, the consequence was her arrest and the impoundment of her vehicle. Next up, we've got a sovereign citizen who takes breaking the rules to a whole new level, and you'll see just how far this crazy attitude goes.
Is that a firearm under your jacket? Don't reach for it, just answer it. Let me explain, okay? This is for my safety. I don't mean any harm to you.
Excuse me, but it's about my safety.
Okay, so will you tell me your name and date of birth?
Not until I present this paperwork.
On April 5th, 2022, an Oregon officer stopped a car with a suspended plate. What should have been a routine check quickly turned into a patience test no officer wants to face.
The reason for the stop today is that uninsured your tags are expired. Do you have your license on now? Is that a firearm under your jacket? Don't reach for it, just answer it. I don't know. I'm asking if it's a firearm, so if you reach for it, we have issues.
It is.
Okay, don't ever reach for it, okay? Okay. Will you do me a favor? I'd like to remove that from you.
I would rather remove it myself
Okay,
than
you're not
place
going to
it
do
on
that. You're not going to put a firearm in
Sir,
your Okay, so just hear me
I
out.
am
Stop
not-
talking. Just let me explain, okay? It's for my safety. I don't mean any harm to you.
Excuse me, but it's about my safety.
Okay, I'm not going to hurt you, nor am I putting off an intimidating
Well, I'm not
just
going to
listen.
hurt you.
This is what I would like to do, okay? All I would like you to do is cross your fingers like this, put your hand on your head, and I'd like to just grab it and take it out. I'm not going to seize
No,
it or
I
anything
do not
like that.
want my weapon outside of my vehicle.
Where's your ID?
I do not want my weapon outside of the vehicle.
Where is your
I
ID?
am willing to put my weapon on the dash so that you can clearly
Do not
see it.
touch that gun.
Janiyah turned a routine traffic stop into a tense confrontation, but the officer remained calm, especially with her gun drawn. He had to stay a few steps ahead to avoid being noticed.
Put the paperwork on the dash for me. Put the paperwork on the dash.
Why?
Because I'm telling you to, and it's a lawful order. Put the paperwork on the dash now, and put your hands on the steering wheel and don't move them. Okay? You're being confrontational. You have a firearm. We're not going to play that game. I'm going to get your name, date of birth, and I'm going to continue my traffic stop. Do you understand that?
I think I'll just point the fence.
That's fine. I recommend that. Point to where your ID is.
No, sir. You told me to put my
I
hands
did,
on the
but
steering
you
wheel.
told me you were going to plead the fifth, which means you're not going to talk anymore. Okay, if you're not going to talk, you can't tell me your name and your date of birth. Does that make sense? So will you tell me your name and date of birth?
Not until I present this paperwork. See, you guys always do that. You guys always make something up that isn't there.
What did I make up today, ma'am?
You're saying I'm being confrontational. I'm not being confrontational.
Okay, maybe let me use a different word. Argumentative.
Well, maybe argumentative, but I'd say so are you, because you're not getting everything you want exactly when you want it.
Yeah, because I gotta survive every contact, and
I
I'm gonna
understand
get
that.
what I want when there's a firearm involved.
You know what?
It's gonna happen.
I'm sorry, but it's the police that have proved themselves to be unreliable.
Oh yeah? Have you ever met me before?
Yes, I
You've
have.
met me. Where did you meet me?
Matter of fact, really doesn't matter. All I know is you're wearing a monkey suit.
A monkey suit? I believe it's a police uniform and a badge. But that's fine. I get what you're trying to do. You're mad at the badge, not at me. I'm just trying to go
I
home
don't
every day.
trust the badge.
Okay, you don't have to trust me, but not that I don't trust you, I can't trust you because I don't know you.
And I was willing to compromise with you, but you're not willing to compromise. You want it
What
your
is the
way.
compromise?
I am willing to put it on the dash, or even to allow you to put it on the dash. I
I would
not
like to do that.
willing to allow you to remove it from my vehicle.
Okay. I can work with you on that a little bit. If I'm going to put it on your dash, I'm going to unload it first.
That's fine.
Okay. Will you put your hands on your head with your fingers crossed so I can remove it from you? Thank you. I appreciate that. Any other firearms with you?
Meanwhile, the police chief arrived on scene and, after assessing the situation, asked Janiyah to identify herself. She complied, but not in the way they expected.
As you're asking me for my driver's license, I do want you to know that the right of the citizen to travel upon the public highways and to transport his property thereon by horse-drawn carriage, wagon, or automobile is not a mere privilege which may be permitted or prohibited at will, but a common right which he has under his right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Under this constitutional guarantee, one may, therefore, under normal conditions, travel at his inclination along the public highways or in public places.
You have a right to travel. You have a right to travel by your feet or your horse, but you have to have a driver's license.
No, you do not.
Okay, we can argue this later, so you need to provide the officer with your driver's license or you will be arrested for failure to carry and present.
For what crime?
Failed to carry and present a driver's license. It's a Class C misdemeanor in the state of Oregon.
Without a crime, it is not a failure.
Do you have a concealed handgun license with you?
No.
Okay. Do you have insurance for the vehicle?
Not required.
Okay.
After Janiyah finished her statement at the Supreme Court, officers ran her information and discovered her license had been revoked. With a weapon in tow, arrest was unavoidable. And of course, she didn't make it easy.
So this is the deal, okay? I need you to step out of the vehicle because you're being placed under arrest for carrying a concealed firearm.
You're placing me under arrest for a concealed firearm.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I ask what led you to that decision?
Okay, well, you're carrying a concealed firearm, and that's a crime in Oregon.
Ma'am, do you recall I asked you if that was a gun underneath your jacket?
And I said yes.
Okay, so by me not being able to tell whether it was a gun or not, it was not in open plain view, right? Okay, so it would have been concealed if I can't tell that it's a gun.
You could obviously see the butt of it.
If you got your sweatshirt covering that gun, it's concealed. An open carry is open carry, nothing obstructing the firearm or the holster that it's in. Or had it been on your side without a sweatshirt covering it, that's not concealed. But you have it under clothing, that's concealed.
So now you guys want to nitpick.
And additionally, it's also a crime to present me with a driver's license knowing that it's suspended. I see you were convicted of driving while suspended in December, late December of 2021, which was only a few months ago. Additionally, you haven't been reinstated at all since then, so there's a pretty good inclination that you knew you were suspended and knew that license was not valid. That's also a crime in the state of Oregon.
You're making assumptions.
No, that's...
You're making assumptions.
Oh, as far as your knowledge
you're
of that?
Assuming whether I knew or did not know.
Right, I never said I knew for a fact. Okay, I'm not in your mind, I can't know that. But there's pretty good evidence to show that you likely knew. But additionally from that, for the concealed firearm, yes, you are under arrest. So we just need you to step out. We don't want it to be incident or anything. Just ask you to step out and face the panel of the force, please.
Yeah, you guys looked for the most petty thing that you could to arrest me for.
Okay, well, we didn't
look for it.
And I'm
willing to bet that in the process, you guys have got a whole lot of other things going on. So before we jump to that, I'd like to know what I was pulled over for.
I told you you're stopped for expired tires. Additionally, you have a light housing on the back too that's broken. I didn't notify you that that's why I stopped you, because I was primarily just stopping you for the tag. But we can point at things, but I don't want to nitpick with you. I don't want to argue with you.
Janiyah tried everything to distract the officers, but by now they were exhausted by her nonsense and just wanted the ordeal to end. Still, they couldn't agree with her reasoning, especially since the U.S. Supreme Court has ruled that vehicles are private property.
The U.S. Supreme Court has already ruled that a vehicle is a household effect.
Okay.
Therefore, you have no right to tow it.
Okay. Again, you can argue that in court.
So,
okay.
in other words, what you're saying, Chief, is that you don't care
Get him on the camera.
that you are stomping all over my constitutional rights.
What I care about is this is my job. Okay, I am educated, I'm informed, and I get the training on laws and court rulings.
But that does not mean that you know all the laws.
Okay.
And that does not mean that you are kept up to date on the U.S. Supreme Court's rulings.
Right. So I'm pretty kept up to date. And again, if I'm wrong, I'll eat crow later. Okay, but this isn't the place for it.
Eating crow later is not going to help me.
Okay, well it might. So, go, ma'am. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle. You are under arrest.
Please face that way. Face that way and put your hands behind your back.
Ow!
Okay.
Would you please
Do you need
be
two sets of
gentle?
cuffs?
I have a right shoulder injury, so please be gentle.
Janiyah was eventually taken to the station and charged with weapons possession. She reminds us that some people don't know when to stop, and when their delusions escalate, the trouble only grows. Refusing to cooperate during a traffic stop has serious consequences. Don't test the police. Up next is an arrogant princess who learns the hard way what happens when you push an officer's patience to the breaking point.
You gave me a trespass? Go get my money.
Out of my face.
Come on.
Let's go.
Playing with me, bro. I don't want to go to jail.
No, you're going to jail.
On August 1st, 2024, in Florida, officers responded to a disturbance at a hotel. The caller reported a woman acting aggressively toward other guests at the bar. And the moment police arrived, things escalated fast.
Was anything physical?
No, the only thing that I did was smack his hand out of my face.
When did he touch you, or he just came like
He
this?
went right here in my space. I said, get your hands on my face, bitch.
Okay.
Because I didn't do that to you.
Okay.
So she started talking about politics and Donald Trump or whatever. She started asking them who they were voting for and whatever, and I didn't do the whole political thing. Sure. So then the next thing I know, she was calling them rats.
Because he tried to put his finger in my square and I smacked his goofy ass.
Okay.
I sure did.
Fine. Do me a favor, just stay here with my partner and I'll be right.
Were you guys part of what was happening, or?
Yeah. She was just like off the rails.
Yeah.
She was just like very insulting. And like she was like having a conversation and then she just like smacked.
Okay.
I smacked his little hand and he called the police. Put your hand in the back of my face because you lucky I ain't choked the shit out of you. Because, baby, I'm a liberal arts major. I choke you and make the war of art. And make paintings of your blood with my fingers. Finger paintings of blood.
Using his fingers, she created paintings in blood. Due to her rude and disruptive behavior, officers consulted the hotel staff and decided to trespass her from the property. The woman reluctantly agreed to leave, but not without displaying a wild, unpredictable attitude that left everyone stunned.
Yes.
She's not allowed to stay?
Unfortunately, she has to leave with just everything. You need my money back? Because I could go to my room and be peaceful. Give me my money back. That's cool. Come on. Come here. Come on. Give me my stuff. I'm reversing on your ass. Don't even trip.
Good dispute.
No, I'm reversing everything. If I have to leave and they don't have to leave, I'm reversing on that ass.
So let's get your stuff.
Come on, babe. We got lots of back. Let's go. I was already halfway to California anyways. You guys suck with medical care, you suck with justice, and you always take this sides when you know it's people like that that get us to our limit. It took a lot to get me this way, and it took this political campaign to make me break. Yeah. You mad you can't take me to jail? Hold on, she got the key.
I have it right here.
Oh, okay. We got a little while.
Is it 54? Huh?
Y'all always want me to leave like I'm the problem.
Yeah, wait till we're out of here.
You try to ask this big fat 10 sandwich eating bitch something and she mad? The whole conversation.
I was trying to have a conversation with her to see if she was willing to let you go.
It doesn't have nothing to do with her fat ass, and you know it. How you gonna ask a worker?
Her attitude basically screamed that she had no intention of cooperating without a fight. The officers sensed her defiance and issued a warning, but she showed absolutely no fear.
Just go.
Well, please. No, we gotta wait for you to pick up your stuff.
Yeah. Just go right here.
Stuff, because if you refuse to leave, then you will go to jail.
Listen, baby.
Do not get close.
Don't do it.
Do not get close.
Don't do it.
You know I would never hurt you.
Do not.
Okay, be aggressive.
Grab your stuff.
Can you please give me time to figure out where I need to go?
You're 2 seconds away from going to jail. Grab your stuff because you're refusing to leave.
All right, come help me then.
No, I'm not.
No.
Come on.
We're not gonna help
Why
you.
you don't want to help me?
No,
that's
not our job to help you.
Why are you treating me like I'm the problem?
Hey, listen. I'm giving you your warning now.
Can you tell? This is a warning, but why are you treating me like I'm the problem?
Grab your stuff. If you refuse to leave after this, I'm taking you to jail.
We figure out what happened on the fight. That one is not.
What fight happened?
Well, there was an argument that apparently got physical. You even mentioned to me that you slapped the guy because he came close to you and put the hands in your face.
He went like this.
Okay.
And you said you
that's
were
a
gonna
fight.
arrest me. If I do that to you, babe, what is you gonna do to me?
Grab your stuff.
Come and help me.
No. Grab your stuff.
Go.
Grab your
Just
stuff.
Go.
It seems this princess forgot that officers aren't there to cater to her wishes. When they stopped her from trying to change clothes on her own terms, her attitude exploded, and she did something that left everyone in the room stunned.
Damn! You want to invade my privacy for some bullshit? Move! I got stuff. Move!
Don't lock the door.
I need to change. Move!
Grab your stuff.
All right, bet. This is what we doing. Come on now. All I wanted to do was change. I gotta change out the dress. You want the show?
Grab your stuff.
Yeah, I am.
Put it up. Put your
Come
clothes
on
on.
now. You know this is illegal, right?
Put your clothes on.
You know it's illegal, right?
Now, put your
Move
clothes
around.
and let's go.
I cannot move in no dress. Go.
I'm not leaving until you
Go
grab your
for
stuff.
what?
Because you're trespassed from here.
I'm trespassed?
Yes. They just gave you your warning.
She gave me a trespass?
Ma'am.
Go get my money.
Get out of my face.
Stop playing with me. Hold on. I moved. I got out your face.
Well, jail.
I got out your face, babe. I got out your face.
If you keep acting up, you're gonna get
upset.
another.
Listen, are you
Yes,
gonna
babe.
put your clothes and go?
Yes. I just
Put
want
your
you to
clothes-
give me my
put your clothes
space.
Well, we
I
were
want you to give
asking
me
you.
my space. You're not.
Stripping in front of the officers is absolutely not allowed, yet she showed no shame at all. As time passed, her defiance only escalated, and her behavior grew more aggressive.
Face, but you're coming towards me.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
I
You
don't know that.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
You don't have to come this close that I can smell your breath.
So why did the man hit me then? Why could he come in my space and hurt me and put his finger in my
That
face?
was not me.
If
that
it's-
was not
I'm
me,
showing
and
you what
everybody-
I went through.
Okay.
So why is
Ma'am.
it fair?
Did you get your clothes on?
Ma'am, get your
Why
clothes
is it
on.
fair?
Get your clothes
Why
on.
is it fair?
Get your clothes
You
on.
guys don't pay a fair game.
We're just giving you the opportunity to leave.
No, you're giving me the moment of taking my money and me.
Get your clothes on. I do not want to take you to jail.
For what? I'm gonna be out the next day.
Doesn't matter.
That's
you still
not
don't
gonna
want to
hurt
sleep
me.
in jail.
I don't care about jail. I care about justice.
Okay?
And that's what you know what? You men will never get it. It's not fair.
Get your ass.
It's not fair, babe.
Once
It's
your
not
stuff is
fair.
back.
Nearly an hour later, nothing had improved, except that she finally managed to pack up her massive pile of belongings. But her erratic behavior didn't slow down at all. In fact, it grew even more chaotic and unpredictable by the minute.
You never know what position my children will be in.
Man,
I loved
just
you.
pack your stuff.
I had love
Just
for you.
pack your stuff.
You disrespected me like a lame. Move, let me get my purse. Why you don't want to help me though? What's so hard
Hey,
about
what
helping
help
me?
do you want?
Putting these big ass suitcases on the cart.
Close the cases. I
It's
told you that, and you
closed.
told me not to touch it.
You
Okay, which one
Try
is
to-
closed? Closed. Go ahead and zip them
go
up.
get it. That one
Which-
right there.
All right. Which
Push
one?
it out.
It's not zip them up.
I wanted to help so bad. Zip it.
I want you out of here.
Nah, you just want to go home. You don't want to do justice. Zip this one. My back can't take no more. Here you go.
I told you, if you zip them,
Zip it.
I'm not
It's
going to
heavy.
do that. It's
Why?
still open. You told me I will be stealing your stuff. So if you zip them, I'll put them there for you.
All right, babe. You win. Not the truth?
Come on.
All right.
Come on. Stop playing. Let's go. You want me to zip them up? Let's go.
Damn. You never had to try to do it. It's all right. As long as I can keep this on the mug shot. Because I know you're going to try to arrest me. I won the suit competition with Donald Trump.
Now.
Now, on top of the chaos, she slipped into pure delusion, wearing that crown as if it made her a real princess. She started giving orders to the officers like they were supposed to obey.
Truth.
Stop it.
All right. You know I'm not like that.
Pack your stuff so we can leave.
Just go over there then.
Pack your stuff.
Come on, babe. Just go over there.
Pack
then.
your stuff.
If you feel
we're
uncomfortable,
done playing.
just go over there,
We are
babe.
done playing.
Just go over there. I'm not playing no more. Just move.
Well, you still playing.
If I'm-
This is your last opportunity. If you don't pack your stuff, you're gonna be going to jail.
Just go. Just go. Go on in. Put the door. Take this and let's go. Come on.
Ma'am, just leave property, please.
Stop walking behind me.
Just leave property, please.
Stop walking
It's not gonna
behind
be on your way.
Bitch, it is my way.
No, it's not. Let's just get your stuff out, please.
What's wrong with you, you stupid mother? Stop acting like I really follow your rules. I don't live by your rules. You're just with a badge. You think you're doing something. You're a servant. All you little servants. At the end of the day, it stops here. So if you're not moving anything, don't touch me. Come on. Come on, what are you waiting for?
Waiting for you to leave property.
Baby, What, you want me to roll the car to the street?
Sidewalk.
Baby, please. I'm not rolling all this to the street. I can't roll this to the street.
So she made her way to the hotel lobby. A simple Uber ride could have ended everything peacefully, but no. She wanted a far more dramatic exit, perfectly matching her chaotic flair.
Uber,
You're more than welcome to call.
walking to the street. You done took my shoes, baby. Move around.
Man, you have to leave the property.
I cannot take the car off of property.
No, but you can take your stuff there.
Do your job then.
No, it's your job to do that.
Take your time.
If you refuse to leave, you're going to go to jail.
Stop playing in my face, baby.
I'm not playing.
Countless warnings and pleas were ignored. By now, the officers had reached their limit and decided it was time to end the charade. With no other choice, they moved in and arrested her.
Killing me, bro. I don't want to go to jail.
You're going to jail.
Babe,
Don't fight.
I'm fed up, babe.
We gave you more than enough time to do what you needed to do.
You're refusing to leave property.
It's a hill. It's a hill. Can you just push the cart?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You're going to jail now.
Why you gonna wait until I get outside to take me to jail?
We've asked you to leave.
I'm trying. I'm trying. I'm really trying. Wait. Okay. No, okay. I'm gonna leave.
Hold on, still fighting.
No, I'm not.
Stop fighting.
I'm gonna leave, sir. 5 days.
Gave you plenty of time. Stop fighting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I'm not. I don't want to fight. I just want to win.
Stop resisting.
Okay, can I just move the car?
No, ma'am, you're under arrest.
Please.
Stop.
Okay. Why you don't want to help me, though?
Put her on her foot. She's going to go inside.
Okay. Let me put one down.
Inside.
Yes, babe.
Ma'am, stop resisting.
Sorry, Daddy. I'm
Stop
sorry.
resisting.
I feel defeated.
You're going to get charged
No.
with resisting with violence.
No, let me go, okay?
Stop fighting.
I'm sorry.
There's no let it go.
I'm sorry.
There's not let it go.
I'm sorry, please. I'm gonna go. I don't know where to go.
You're going to sit inside my patrol car.
I'm sorry, I don't know where to go.
Ma'am, put your leg
Okay,
up.
please.
Stop
Please.
resisting.
Babe, please.
Stop resisting.
I just wanted to feel like I won. I didn't hurt nobody.
I'm talking to you, giving you a chance for 4
I don't know where to go.
Hold on.
Please stop. Okay, I'll go. I'll go. I promise I'll go. Please. Oh, please, Gus. Please, I'll go. I'm sorry.
What are
I'm sorry.
Right here.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna go.
right.
I'm gonna go. I just don't.
Yep.
Oh, please.
Fighting.
I
Stop
told you.
resisting.
I'm sorry. You hurt me. I'm sorry. Please.
Her resistance grew more intense by the minute. In desperation, she even kicked at the officers, turning an already tense situation completely chaotic.
Please stop. I want to.
Stop kicking.
I'm not.
Stop kicking.
I packed. Please let me just go.
Hey, roll around her back.
No.
Stop fighting.
I'm not fighting.
You just did.
Stop. You hit my mouth.
All right.
I'm not gonna fight.
Bring it down to her ankles.
Do this.
Bring it down to the ankles.
Please,
Bring it down to the ankles. Hold on, let me get this on.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go, babe.
Stop fighting. Stop fighting. We've been telling you.
Please let me go, babe. I already cried.
All right. Let's get her off of her stomach. Let's get her off of her stomach.
Chance. I packed everything by myself. Why me? Stop!
Ow! Not fighting.
Get off of me! Ah! Get off of me! Hey!
Taser.
Yes, sir!
Got it? He's off?
Yeah.
Damn it!
Hold on.
Ultimately, she was taken to the police station and charged with resisting with violence, assaulting an officer, and trespassing. Under Florida law, resisting an officer with violence is a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in prison or probation and a fine of up to $5,000.
Step out of the vehicle.
No, I'm not required.
You're going to step out of the vehicle.
Step out of the vehicle.
Why do you have your hands on me?
Because you're going to jail.
I didn't do anything
Get out of the
wrong.
vehicle.
What comes next is yet another sovereign citizen finding out the law doesn't care about made-up titles and fake plates.
Hello there. Deputy Morgan, the Volusia County Sheriff's Office. The reason I'm stopping is you don't really have a tag on your vehicle in our state. You gotta have some kind of characters or registration. Do you have any information for the vehicle?
State national?
Okay.
Yeah, you see my ID?
Okay. Do you have any other form of ID other than passport?
It's my traveling information. I was just traveling today.
Okay. So you don't have a driver's license in any state? I'm sorry?
I'm not required to carry one because
You actually are. 21.
21.
Go ahead and start me a second unit. This is going to be a sovereign citizen.
This one's a sovereign citizen. She pulled out a passport and started ranting about her travel rights, turning what should have been a routine traffic stop into complete nonsense.
Do you have any insurance for the vehicle?
No.
Okay. Well, give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you.
When the officers discovered her address was just a P.O. box, her carefully crafted plan began to completely unravel.
Alright. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me. No. Step out of the vehicle.
No, I'm not required.
You're going to step out of the vehicle.
Then I have to call.
No, you don't have to call anybody.
I'm not.
Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle now. You are. You are under arrest.
What?
Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
Why do you have your hands on me?
Because you're going to jail.
I didn't do anything
Get out of the
wrong.
vehicle. Let's go.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Let's go.
Sir, I didn't do
Let's
anything.
go.
Oh my God. Ouch.
Oh my.
Ow.
Come on.
Ouch.
You want to around, you find out. Come on. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Stop.
Stop.
Tensing up.
I didn't do anything
Stop
wrong.
tensing up.
I don't.
You can stay in the vehicle.
You're going to jail is what's happening.
Why? Why?
Because you have an unregistered motor vehicle.
Okay.
And you do not have a valid address.
Sir, it's my business address.
It is not. It is a P.O. box.
I know. It's,
Unless you reside in a post office box, you do not have a valid address.
listen, that.
1 Ocean 21 Central Adult Female 1015. Unregistered motor vehicle. Let's go.
Don't make it harder.
This vehicle is being towed, and I'm seizing it. Do what?
Can I come over to the station?
No, she's going to jail. She's not going to the station.
Do you have somebody that can give you a ride? No. Are you from around here? No.
I'm traveling for this
From where?
business. It's a long way. Can you talk to them right now? Stick to
Who is that?
It's my friend.
Okay.
She's also one of ours.
Okay.
She's also an American State National.
Okay, we're not talking to her.
Her daughter tried to intervene with nonsensical sovereign citizen arguments, insisting on speaking directly to a judge, which only highlighted how deeply these delusions ran within their group.
She's an American State National. She has to talk to the magistrate.
Okay. Well, we're not talking to anyone on the phone.
She said that she needs to talk to the magistrate. She needs to be driven right to the magistrate and talk to him.
Okay.
That's the only way that we can solve the situation.
Okay. I can tell you right now, it's probably not gonna happen.
But that's what needs to happen. She's an American State National.
Okay.
We're not under the normal terms of a citizen. We're not citizens.
Okay. What's up? We're waiting on a wrecker and her to get an Uber or something. Oh, gotcha. I think it's their group.
Mimi said not to sign anything and to be able to be taken right to the magistrate. keep it saying that you're an American state national.
She tried using fake documents and imaginary legal theories, but in the end, her car was towed and she was jailed, proving that reality doesn't care about a sovereign citizen's delusions.
Well, I'm gonna...
Get out! That's fine, you can do it from jail. Get out of the vehicle now, or I'm breaking it. You have 3 seconds to comply or I'm breaking the window.
In Iowa, a deputy faces off with a sovereign citizen who thinks she can outsmart the law. Things get wild when he busts her car window and hangs up on her attorney mid-sentence.
Evening. So stopping you because you're driving around with your high beams on. You're blinding everybody else.
Oh, okay.
Oh. So yeah, make sure you turn them off. Oh, there you go.
Okay.
So you got your license, registration, proof of insurance on you. I can take a peek. It's illegal to drive with your high beams on with other vehicles.
Oh.
So, yeah, that's why I'm stopping you.
What's your name?
Smock, S-M-O-C-K.
Smock.
30s, that would start me another. That's our sovereign citizen from last week. What's that?
And your badge?
S, as in Sam, 2082. So, wasn't I with you here a couple weeks ago?
What was that?
Were you stopped up on Cedar Wapsie Road up north here last week? Or a little over a week ago, wasn't it?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
The early 2000s Buick she's driving now is completely different from the white Toyota RAV4 she was stopped in a few days ago. The Toyota is probably still in the impound lot, so there's a good chance both cars will end up side by side there by the end of the night.
So can I see your passport again here real quick? S-M-O-C-K.
And batch number?
S is in Sam, 2082. So was the vehicle registered in somebody else's name since you're still suspended? What's that?
I'm reserving all.
Yep, I know, but I still require an ID. You're required to identify still. So, did you get this registered in your name since you're suspended, or did you get it registered in somebody else's name?
I don't know.
Okay. License, registration, proof, insurance then.
Poor delusional Sarah thinks observing non-existent rights, refusing to answer inconvenient questions, will somehow end differently this time. But as we've already established, it's not this deputy's first rodeo dealing with her.
So, officer...
Ma'am, we had this conversation last week. You are required to give your ID, your registration, and your proof of insurance.
How can I help you?
Ma'am, this has been done last week, okay? I know you're very familiar with it because we just did this last Sunday. So, I need your ID, I need your registration, and I need your proof of insurance. Failure to do so will result me in actually filing, instead of a citation, if I so choose to do that, instead of a warning, will be to arrest you in lieu of citation.
Okay.
So, license, registration, that's fine. So, but you're required to give me your ID because you are driving with your high beams on, which is illegal in the state of Iowa, as long as you have traffic coming the other way, which you had plenty of times. So you're required to give me your license, registration, proof of insurance. If you fail to do so, I will place you under arrest again for interference with official acts.
I'm only required to give you that if there was a crime committed.
Your lights were, your high beams were on. That is a crime, like I just explained.
That's not a crime.
It is a crime. Yeah, yes, which is a crime. So.
Officer's Smock, badge number S2082.
Yep. So license, registration, proof of insurance. Are you going to comply with the Are you going to comply with my orders to give me your license, registration, proof of insurance? Are you going to comply with me with the order I gave you to give me your license, registration, proof of insurance? If you do not answer me, I'm going to respond or take that as a no, and I'm going to arrest you.
We haven't gotten to that part yet.
We are past that point. I don't have to explain all this to you again because we just did this not even 2 weeks ago. So. Alright, step on out.
Officer's mom.
Step on out.
Is this Sarah?
Yep.
Officer's mom, batch number
S2082. Yes, step out. You are under arrest.
Do you have a problem?
Sarah, you are under arrest. Exit the vehicle now or force will be used to gain compliance.
Do you have a properly signed?
Please get out, Sarah.
Sarah, this is the last time I'm going to request it to you. We're going to use force after this. Exit the vehicle now or force will be used to gain compliance.
Well,
get out of the vehicle.
If you want me to
Get out of the vehicle. We're not talking anymore. Out of the vehicle.
If you want me to get out, then I need to see the warrant. Properly.
You are under arrest. Get out of the car.
If you want,
I will break the window if I have to. Get out of the vehicle.
The industrial strength stupidity and ignorance of the law it takes to think law enforcement need a warrant to arrest you in this situation is absolutely mind-blowing. Anyway, on to the window bust, because unlike her last arrest, Sarah has remembered to lock all the car doors. And because we have the body and dash cam this time, you get two angles.
I'll break the window. I don't care. Get out of the vehicle.
Now you're threatening me.
Is it unlocked over there? No.
If she doesn't get out, let's not break the driver's window.
Yeah.
So,
get out of the car.
I want to see the warrant.
No warrant is required. Step out of the vehicle. You are under arrest. I'm going to break the window. Get out.
Get out, Sarah.
Well, I'm gonna.
Get out. That's fine. You can do it from jail. Get out of the vehicle now, or I'm breaking it. You have 3 seconds to comply, or I'm breaking the window.
Anyway, onto the window bust. Because unlike her last arrest, Sarah has remembered to lock all the car doors. You have 3 seconds to comply, or I'm breaking the window. 3, 2, 1. Get out of the vehicle.
3,
Come on out.
2, 1. Get out of the vehicle.
I'm an attorney. I'm gonna let you know that right now. Say you pulled me over, but I was already out of my car before your lights even came on. You're about to lose all qualified immunity if you don't let me up out these handcuffs and release me right now. You see that Black Law's dictionary in the back seat?
37. Window break. She's resisting. We are breaking the window.
Sarah, get out.
Step out of the car with your hands visible.
Get out.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Hang on.
Get out of the car.
You
Turn
told me
around.
I can talk.
Turn
to my
around.
attorney.
Place your hands behind your back. Stop.
Hands behind your back, Sarah.
Stop. Not in class. Let's step to the back of the car. Okay, Sarah. I'm not sure why we have to do this again. We just did this 2 weeks ago.
She's under arrest.
Cameron, can you help me, please? Where?
4095. Let me loosen this one up since it went a little tighter than I wanted. Do you have anything on? You just gonna poker stick at all? Oops. I got that one.
Just go ahead and fix that one.
Yeah. Alright. I have not asked any incriminating questions. Miranda rights does not apply.
Sarah, come over here. Come over here.
I need to. Yep, we'll take care of it.
Sarah said she can
for what crime?
interference with official acts.
That's not a crime.
Okay, sir, that's exactly what she got arrested for 2 weeks ago. So we'll see. She can go to court for it.
So you're violating her rights?
No, 2 weeks ago. That's fine.
I already have an open case.
Are you violating her rights?
No.
What probable cause or reasonable articulable suspicion do you have of a crime being committed?
Sir, that's what court's for. If you have a problem with it, we'll see you then.
No, it's not.
Yes,
no,
it is.
Not. You got an oath that you
take care.
Here, just switch me over.
37 on 3, tow request. Do you have a preference on who tows the vehicle?
Call the owner and tell them to come get it.
Next one up for Ida Zebra Charles 258. Let them know there's glass in the back seat. We'll need a broom to clean up some off the road too.
We'll get that. Come over here, Sarah. Do you read your rights for this?
No incriminating questions have been asked, so it's not applied.
To read your rights anyway?
You guys are out here to protect us.
We are. Have a seat.
So you think it's okay to just violate my rights?
That's what court's for. If you think we're violating it, speak to an attorney.
Watch your
Well,
foot.
I'm already.
Watch your foot. Watch your knee.
I'm gonna say she's driving the other way with her high beams on. I'm like, shoot, I'm right here. I might as well. She doesn't have the ambassador plates anymore, so I didn't recognize her until I walked up there, and I was like, wait.
Trying to put just for property in a small brown bag.
Oh, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, I know, but just for traffic coming by now, I don't want them catching it. If I can help it. It's her brother, is her attorney. That's who called in last week and left a voicemail.
Oh, that's
I had Steve call. They called him 3 or 4 times and never answered, so whatever. Yeah, Cameron, the brother, that's this one.
Sorry, what?
Cameron, that I had you call last week and he didn't answer.
Oh.
This is the same one.
Is she out of
Yeah, she's in custody. Yeah, she marked it.
Yeah, I worked 95.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was, hustling into the truck.
Yeah, no, so I got her just coming the other way with her high beams on. No big deal. But she didn't have her diplomat plates on, so I didn't recognize her. Until I got up there and I was like, wait.
Apparently they got that car registered.
Yeah, apparently. And I asked her if she got it registered in her name, and she just, again, I don't have to. She needs an arrest warrant before I can do anything. Violation of Iowa Code for 321 for driving failure to dim is not a crime. It just...
Come over and take a look-see since it wasn't there for a while.
Appreciate you.
You got a Zoe coming?
They haven't said who yet, but yeah. Yeah, she'd only roll it down. Yeah, she had it down a little bit further. I tried to reach in there and she rolled up the window, so I guess she wouldn't unlock the door. Wouldn't get out.
Yeah, all that jazz.
Oh, it's suspended. I think 4 times still.
The car was towed, the broken glass cleared from the road, and she faced her second jail sentence in just a few weeks. According to the video, she was charged with driving without insurance, driving on a suspended license, and interfering with official acts. On top of that, her self-proclaimed attorney appears to be suing the police department. Let's dive into the next situation. When the bar closes, the entitlement begins.
Car. Get out of the car. Stop.
Right now, are you kidding me?
Stop.
Are you kidding me?
Give me your hand. It's on policy.
Why?
Stop.
Why are you trying to leave? Why?
Just stop before you
relax.
On August 3rd, 2025, an officer pursued a woman named Amanda for running a red light and speeding. She stopped in front of her house, but immediately refused to comply, leading to a violent struggle where she attacked the officer, resisted arrest, and hurled insults.
Hey, get out of the car! Get out of the car! I'm trying to stop you. Get out of the car. You're driving at high rates. Get out of the car right now.
This immediate non-compliance after evading police is a separate crime, escalating the situation unnecessarily.
Right now, get out of the car.
I swear, I'm innocent.
Get out of the car.
Sir, don't.
Ma'am.
Please.
Ma'am.
Give me your hand.
No, stop. 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 No, get out of the car.
If you put me, please.
Get out of the car.
I will 100%. Just put your hand in mine.
I'm not.
I swear to God.
Step out of the car right now. Step out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Whose house this is?
I don't care whose house this is. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Out of the car.
Please.
Get out of the car.
For both of our sakes.
Right now. Get out of the car.
Both of our sakes.
Get
both of our sakes.
Get out of the car, man.
Both of our sakes.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Right now. Right now, get out of the car.
I didn't know.
Get out of the car. Right now.
Okay. Wait, please.
Get out of the car.
Please. Please.
Amanda, easy. I'm
You
not
know
letting.
who he is.
I'm not letting go of you. Get out of the car. Amanda.
Your boss calls him.
Yeah, that's Get out of the car.
My boss is right here. Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Let's go.
Fucking stop. Are you kidding me with these guys?
The officer is now wrestling with her to gain control. Resisting arrest in this manner is guaranteed to add more charges to her list.
Stop.
Right now, are you kidding me?
Stop.
Are you kidding me? Thank you. Thank you, Detective fucking Gardini. Thank you. Thank you.
Unclench your fist right now.
I'm not clenching my
You
fist.
are. You're holding your jacket.
Dude, me and him are, I'm sorry.
Doesn't
It's
matter.
not you. It's not you. Yeah, it's too late now. It's too late.
Let go of the handcuff.
I'm not.
God, fucking
Bro,
stop.
I'm not grabbing the handcuff.
Button your shirt.
Nah, go fuck yourself. It's too late, bro. I'm so glad we have like 25 cameras on the fucking property.
Yeah.
So glad, bro.
Get in the car.
Step up.
Do you guys know who that is? Anyone? Of course. Still die. Still skydiving.
If you want to fix your shirt, go ahead and do that.
The heaviest I've ever been, and I still couldn't even like just make you like hold my hand like I wanted you to. Instead, like I wasn't being a jerk, but I'm the heaviest I've ever been in my life, and I still couldn't even do that. But you'll see what's in the system on me. You'll see.
So, Miss Peters,
You'll see.
I don't know who you are, and you're asking me to hold your hand.
I do understand that because my whole family. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You have to understand the situation for me. I don't know what's going on, and you fled from me. So, me trying to get
But
you.
I wasn't. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll tell you this. So we are still on body camera. The reason I was going to tell you why I was stopping you originally, had you stopped, was because you blew that red light on the highway. So from that, I was going to, upon speaking with you, obviously I feel like I should run you through standard field sobriety tests at the time. So we're going to do that in a minute. Do you have anything wrong with your eyes before we begin?
No.
Oh, you don't have like a glass eye or anything, right?
No.
Okay. Feet together?
I do have a issue with my equilibrium though.
Okay. Feet together, hands at your sides. Perfect. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to keep your head perfectly straight. Do you see the tip of my pen right there? I want you to follow the tip of my pen using your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head, okay? Okay. The next thing we're going to do is going to be a walk and turn, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to take a couple steps back here, kind of right up to the bench, right where I'm standing, right here.
Big equilibrium problem.
Okay, I'll take that into account.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Keep going.
Do you want me to explain the test again? Yeah. Okay, come on back over here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
All right, you can turn around and face me. Next thing we're going to do is it's going to be a one-leg stand, so just
1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000,
5,000.
6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000.
Yep. All right, you can stop there. Take a seat, okay? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
Can I pull a couple of cards out of my wallet for you?
No.
I know it's not going to help now, but just so
No.
that...
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now? Either yes or no. It doesn't offend me either way. Yes or no.
It's not about offending you. It's about someone's future being even more, how much more can you... Never mind. Yeah.
Okay. And I just need your signature.
Right here, please. Ma'am.
Do I really have to sign this?
Mm-hmm. If you don't sign it, I'll just mark down that you didn't sign it.
I don't know what that does. I don't know if that's worse or better. I don't know if I can help you read.
It makes no difference. It makes no difference at this point. So it's.
Can I literally get a few cards out of my wallet
Nope.
for you?
Nope. I just need you to sign that because we have another form we have to go over next. Here, give me this.
Sorry. No, I'm not.
Give me this.
It was just.
Okay. Alright, the next form I have.
You know I'm older than you, right? Like, I'm not being a jerk. It was a question.
I know, but it's kind of an outrageous question given the
It's not
circumstances.
an outrageous question. I literally just told you what was going on in the vehicle. That's not outrageous. It's not outrageous at all. What I just told you was happening.
Independent samples of your breath, blood, or urine for independent testing. If you refuse to provide samples of your breath, you'll be issued.
You know what? You can just stop. I'm good. Just refuse everything and do it the hardest way possible because you're not listening to me. We're not communicating. So just do whatever you want to do, okay?
No,
Just do whatever you want to do because that's what you're going to do anyway. So just do it, okay? Okay? No.
You don't
We
want-
already had that talk. I tried to talk to you. I tried to tell you what was happening. Honestly, like I may need like an ambulance more than I need you right now. But that's okay. No. That's okay. Keep doing what you're gonna do. Okay? Keep doing it. Keep doing it.
Okay,
No worries.
let me-
No worries. Just contest everything. That I refused everything. Contest everything. Just do your thing. Okay?
So let me.
Just do your thing.
Let me finish reading.
No worries. Why would I let you finish? Why did I let you finish? I keep trying to tell you what's happening and what's going on and how bad I'm actually hurting right now, and it's that kind of situation and not the situation. Whatever, just please.
Miss Peters,
Please, I think
I understand you got a
I'm
lot going
trying
on.
to give you guys the most utterly respect every family member of mine has served and fucking died. I have no one but that prick. I have no one but him. And same thing in his family. My whole entire family has served and died.
Alright, I'm sorry to hear that.
I can't, like, I just...
But out of the very few things that we have to, this form has to get read. So the quicker we get through it,
Who cares? I keep trying to tell you guys. How about that? Because that's the mind frame that I'm in right now.
I understand that.
That's where I'm at. You guys don't know what that is. You probably still have your mom and dad at home, and your wife and your child. You probably do too. You probably still have your mom, dad, sister, brother, wife. I don't have any of that. They're all gone. I'm a fucking girl.
Miss, I'm gonna handcuff you to the bench, alright?
We're just gonna make it worse.
I'm not gonna make it worse. You just had said multiple times that you're gonna charge at us, so I'm gonna handcuff you to the
I didn't say I'm gonna charge at you. You look just like your son. I didn't say it was gonna
It's our
charge at you.
policy. Yes. Give me your hand. It's our policy.
Why?
Stop.
Why are you trying to
Stop.
why?
Just stop before you relax. Jesus.
Do you know what it's like for someone to like really
Miss, you don't know who I am.
restrain you?
You don't know who I am. You don't know anything.
You don't know anything.
This aggression and verbal abuse is all on body camera. Every insult and challenge will be used as evidence against her in court.
You don't know anything.
You're not-
Stop.
do not kick me.
I'm not trying to kick you.
Stop.
I just want you to stop trying to hurt me. That's all. Please. Please.
Put your hands behind your
back. No. Please.
Put your hands
stop.
behind your back.
Don't stop. Stop.
No.
I'm
Stop
not
resisting me.
Okay.
Just stop. Just untense yourself.
I have
Put your
you.
hands behind your
I
back.
have you. I hear you. And I'm listening
Right.
to you. And I'm responding to you. Stop. Please. I'm not a dick. I'm not a jerk. I'm telling you, I respect you. I respect
You
your
clearly don't,
family.
because the way you're acting right
I
now is not
clearly don't.
anything with respect.
Because
If you're trying to show respect, Stevie Wonder couldn't see it.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Oh yeah. What's the worst thing you've ever been through? And how old are you?
Okay, you don't know
I'm
anything
old
about
enough to fucking be your mom.
Probably not.
Probably. That's how much you know. Fucking stupid fuck. Why'd you get a DUI every other week?
I'm just gonna reach over here to the seatbelt over. Alright, swing your legs out. And I'll kind of help guide you out. Alright. 1 sec.
What if it was your sister?
I'm sorry?
What if it was like your sister?
Well, I still have a job to do at the end of the day, you know?
Yeah, you do. Absolutely. But it's your
Can't
job
really
that
bring that
puts,
stuff into
But
into
it's
account.
your job that puts them through it.
Oh, I apologize.
Well, does that mean
we're gonna get you the
but,
help
you know,
you need, and go from there.
What if it was like your daughter, your niece, or your special cousin or something that you were really close with?
Here, take a seat right here. Just take a seat for a moment.
Amanda was charged with a total of 9 serious offenses, including operating under the influence, refusal to submit to a chemical test, resisting arrest without violence, and battery on a law enforcement officer. Her attempt to use her family's military history to evade consequences utterly failed. Her actions resulted in multiple felony and misdemeanor charges, leading to potential jail time and significant penalties. Check out this unbelievable reaction after a woman crashes right into a police car.
Are you guys gonna take off your clothes and like do a striptease for me? I did nothing.
Stop resisting.
I did.
You're resisting
Get
arrest.
off of
Not
me.
resist arrest.
Get off of me. I did nothing.
On November 3rd, 2025, an intoxicated woman was asked by staff to leave a bar. When police arrived to enforce the removal for trespassing, she immediately refused to comply, resisted the officer, and attempted to kick him. This violent escalation necessitated the use of physical force to take her into custody.
You're fine. Darby. Darby. Can you step this way for me? Come here, Darby. Can you step this way for a minute? Darby. I need to get behind you.
Darby, I'll go outside with you.
Mary, can you come outside with me?
Are you kidding me right
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
Darby, will you come with me? Please, Darby, will you come with me, Darby?
Sir?
Promise.
I need to speak with you.
Darby, will you stay with me? Yes. Okay. Good.
Hey, Darby.
This is the craziest thing I've ever seen.
Hi, I'm Officer Dugan. My body camera is already recording right now. Do you have your stuff?
I'll go with you. You come with me?
You got your stuff? Okay.
No, I don't have my
Really?
stuff.
This is
I'm not talking to you, sir. You're fine.
That's Darby.
Okay, that's fine. I'm not worried about Darby right now.
Michael! Mike!
Is this for walking out?
Yes, ma'am. I need you to come with me.
Hold on, let me finish my...
Go! Right, ma'am?
I don't know.
Let's go.
No, I don't know why.
You're leaving the bar now. That's what.
Are you
that's
guys
what's
gonna take off your clothes and like do a
Ma'am?
striptease for me?
Ma'am, I am Officer Dugan with the
I'm
Baltimore
aware
City
of that,
Police
but why do I need to like...
She is actively trespassing. Refusing to leave private property upon the owner's request is an immediate arrestable offense.
So the bar has asked you to leave multiple times, so you need to leave.
I did, and I told you I was going to call them. You told me to.
I'm very shocked.
Yes.
This is so not real.
All right, ma'am.
See, you're being trespassed, so we can arrest you if
Is this for real?
Ma'am, you're about 5 seconds away from being arrested. So I need you to come with me right now and step outside.
You want to spend your Thanksgiving night in jail?
So grab your stuff and let's go.
You told me to call him. I asked you to leave politely.
Are you kidding me right now?
All right, ma'am, let's go.
I'm not kidding.
Let's go.
Don't touch me. I have not touched you.
Okay, you're about to be arrested if you don't get out of this bar. So let's go. Yes.
Leave your beer.
No, I'm gonna drink it.
No, you're not.
It's my cider.
Ashley, please take this.
Thank you. All right, let's go. All right, let's go.
Don't touch my arm like
Okay.
this. This is embarrassing.
Alice, come on.
I did nothing. Get off of me. Stop. Stop. Stop it right now. No, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. No. Stop it. Stop it. What did I do? What did I do? No, get off of me. What did I do? What did I do?
We can either handcuff her, we can give her a citation.
I know.
Get off of my thumb. Get off of my... Get off of me. Motherfucking fuckers. You will not arrest me. I didn't do anything.
Her aggression has officially escalated a simple bar removal into a resisting arrest charge. There is no turning back from custody at this point.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, well, now you're going to jail.
Oh, are you kidding me?
Yes, I'm not kidding you.
I didn't do anything, mother. Guys, help me. Guys, help me. This is about Michael Black. You got off of me. I did nothing.
Stop resisting.
I did.
You're resisting
Get
arrest.
off of
Not
me.
resist arrest.
Get off of me. I did nothing. What are you arresting me for?
Kicking an officer during an arrest is a serious felony battery charge. This justifies the immediate need for stronger physical control measures by the police.
What are you arresting me for? Get off of me. I did not assault anybody. Get off of me. Get off of me. I didn't arrest it. I didn't do anything.
Get one arm. Get one arm.
No.
Mandolin, get one arm with her.
I didn't.
Help Dugan with one arm. The other arm. I got it.
I didn't do anything.
Get
Sweater.
hold the other arm.
I didn't do anything. That's so stupid.
Just give me your arm.
You're wasting time. Thank you, guys. Tell him you're wasting time. It's you guys are so f***ing stupid. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
Alright. Hold. Time. Let's go. You're not going to get away, so what do you think you're going to do?
I'm not going to get away. I'm not going to get away. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything.
Thank you. Thank you for your compliance.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Hold on, her sweatshirt's in there.
Let's pull her sleeves up.
She's doing that on purpose. Yeah.
Just let me go.
No.
I think we're past that stage.
We had that opportunity. All right, hold on. You got your shears? You got the arms?
Yeah, I got it.
All right. Hold on. Just cut it right there. Yeah, it is stupid. You were absolutely right. Very stupid.
Not right
now, boss.
Okay, stop. But I'm not going to get off. What are you arresting me for? What are you arresting me for? Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why.
That's locked. There we go.
Yay!
Hey, I guess you take handcuffs now.
Alright, stand up. 3, 2, we're going to need a supervisor for you.
Thank you, medic. Thank you for what you do.
Why?
Why did you do it? They just asked you to leave.
You guys are horrible. You guys are such horrible people that you're doing this. This is the worst thing that you could ever do. This is the worst thing that you could ever do to a person.
No, not yet.
There's no one. Yes.
I know I'm gonna be. Okay, can you just let me go, please?
No, we
Okay, I promise I won't fight you guys.
But you already did.
No, but this is so
double locked.
Why? Why would you do this?
Get in the car.
Why would you do this? Trespassing where?
In the bar.
In the what bar?
The bar we just pulled you out of.
I didn't trespass there.
Okay.
Wait, hold on a second.
Stay.
Stop. I want to see. I want to see where No, I want to see where the thing that was said I was trespassing. This is horrible. Oh my God. You guys.
People love when white women crash. When it's like some random white lady getting arrested and I turn around with her, people get really excited. Like, oh, the police are not racist.
What's your badge?
2502. They're not racist. Look, they arrest everyone.
Let me go and
Just get her back in the car and we're gonna go to bookings.
You're going to jail. There's nothing you can do to not go to jail.
Sergeant needs a picture from her. Here, get back in the car. Come on.
Just please take me home.
Yeah.
Please take me home.
We are. All right, get back in the car.
Not jail.
Well, jail is your new home for the next 24 hours. All right, come on.
I couldn't. Excuse me.
Do not try and kick me.
I didn't try to kick you. Stop putting your hands on me.
You're gonna sit down and you're gonna get in the
I can put my own legs up.
Ma'am, can you?
The cross-side shouldn't burn, but I'm gonna. I don't need cross-side. I don't need to be treated. I just want to get. No, I just want to get my.
You have a person that claims they were
Oh, your hands on? No, they're like these. Also. Why? I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay. Do you want the medics to treat your nose or not?
Why am I handcuffed?
Okay, they're not here for the handcuffs. Okay. Do you want?
But why am I handcuffed? Please tell me why I'm handcuffed.
Okay, so do you want the medics to treat you right now?
Yes.
Okay, so
For
let
my
them.
handcuff burn.
They're not taking your handcuffs off.
Okay,
They
well-
can treat your nose and that's it.
Okay, well, if you look at my handcuffs, they're like into my skin right now and they're burning. So I don't know why I have. Yeah, I just don't know why I have handcuffs on me.
Okay, you've been arrested.
I'm aware of that, but I'm fine with being arrested. But why do I have handcuffs?
Is that my car or your car with that
No,
ammonia
I'm
smell?
sure I can get in.
It's probably the battery.
Probably I can go there. I'm not sure. Thank you.
Five.
Why are you so aggressive? Get off of me.
Okay, we're gonna go.
Why are you doing this?
Ma'am, do you need a medic?
I want a medic. Yes,
Okay,
my
the medic
hands
is here.
hurt.
Can you-
Yes, I want a medic.
Alright.
Thank you. I want a
I'm
medic.
right here.
Thank you. My hands hurt right here. I think I have like. Thank you. Yes, please. Can you take them off? Can you ask them to? Because my hands are my wrists are bleeding because they've like.
Well, you've got a pulse in that hand.
And they're not bleeding, but your nose is.
Yeah,
Can I take care of that?
Yeah, because I'm like stressed out.
Okay, let me take care of
Stressed out. Carlos. What's up, Bobby?
Why are you so mean?
He's actually a very nice guy.
But why are you so mean? I'm not fighting him, but he's being so mean.
All right, can you just be seen by the medics?
Talk to Carlos. He's a great
Why are
guy.
you being so mean?
Carlos wants to talk to you.
You want to jump up here and get your nose cleaned up?
I can't do it without my.
Carlos will have you.
This is so stupid.
Have a seat right there.
So stupid.
Here, listen, it's not going to burn, but it probably
No, I'm aware of that. But this needs to come out.
I can't help you with that, but I can help you with your nose.
What's your name again? Alex.
Alice.
Alice.
My name is Al.
Got an ID and stuff?
How are you guys?
So we were only able to ID.
You're not going to be able to get that off of your nose.
She can do it. She's a really good medic. Amazing.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Are we good?
Not as good as Carlos, though. He's the best.
He's not that great.
Depends who you ask. Oh, yeah?
All right.
So you don't want me to do anything to your nose?
No.
Okay. All right, we're gonna go back in my car then. Let's go.
You don't need to hold me.
Oh, then I need you to walk.
I know, I can walk, yes.
Then walk.
I'm aware. I can walk without you guys holding me.
That's what happens when you're under arrest. We have to have you.
Excuse me. First of all, you don't need to hold me like this. You don't need to hold me. I can walk by myself. Let's go. Yes, it is. Let go of my arm. Let go of my arm, please. Let go of my arm, please. Let go of my arm, and I can walk by myself. Let go of my arm, and I can walk by myself.
That's not a word.
Yes, it is. I'm not fighting you guys. Let go of my arm, and I can walk by myself.
We gotta go inside.
Let go of my arm.
Let's go inside.
Let go of my arm.
Let's go inside.
Let go of my arm. Let go of my arm. Let go of my arm too. I can walk in. Let go of my arm.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Come on. Get in the vehicle. Thank you. All right, let me get the seatbelt on.
I'm okay.
No, everybody needs to wear seatbelts. It's kind of the law. All right, can you let go of the seatbelt?
No, I'm good. Let go of my arm. Idiot.
Thank you for being a complete drunken mess tonight.
This is the only way you get girls.
Seatbelt's on, nice and tight.
This is really mean.
Well, ma'am, this is what happens when you drink too much and you do this to yourself.
Excuse me, what do you mean I drank too much?
Well, you were severely intoxicated and you tried to fight 3 police officers.
I'm severely intoxicated.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you taken my breath?
I mean, I smelled it.
Excuse me. Oh, that doesn't matter.
Okay.
It doesn't matter if you smelled my breath.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, you are going to get so much trouble.
You know what? If I had $1 for every time somebody said that to me, I would not have to work anymore. We're going to the Central Bookings Intake Facility at 300 East Madison.
Central booking?
Yes, ma'am.
For what?
Because you're going to jail.
Why?
For trespassing, and then assault, and drunken disorderly. Well, you broke the law, ma'am.
What did I break the law?
I've already explained it to you a bunch of times, so...
You approve?
Yes.
Where?
It's all recorded on my body camera.
Do you approve of me breaking the law?
Yes, ma'am.
What did I do to break the law?
You were trespassing.
Where?
Inside Cat's Eye Pub.
Okay. Where did you
I literally just told you.
No, I know, but where is that proof?
Oh, okay.
Where's that proof?
Ma'am, you'll have your day in court, and you can say whatever you want in court. No, I can. Yes, I can. I just did. You spoke to my sergeant. You spoke to me.
You spoke to your sergeant? Where's your sergeant?
He was on scene.
On scene?
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't see him.
Well, you were too busy yelling at him.
I will never go back there, okay? I will never go to the Cat's Eye Pub again.
Well, that is correct. You are no longer allowed to be a patron there.
That's fine. That's fine. I will never go there. I'll never go anywhere. No, please don't.
In the end, the woman was arrested and charged with disorderly conduct, criminal trespassing, resisting arrest, and battery on a law enforcement officer. She paid a heavy price for her intoxication and violent behavior, resulting in severe penalties and a permanent ban from the establishment. Next up, a so-called sovereign citizen who thinks the law doesn't apply to her.
Am I breaking the law?
Yes, your tag is expired.
Any crime? I'm demanding your supervisor. It's illegal. It's illegal or lawful?
It's legal, and I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not arguing, sir.
You're under arrest.
On July 18th, 2025 in Florida, an officer pulled over a Jeep Wrangler for an expired tag. But when he asked the driver for her license and registration, things took a strange turn. She claimed she wasn't driving, just traveling. Here's the body cam footage of what happened next.
10-4. How you doing? Yes, I'm Officer Galucia with the town of Ocean Ridge. The reason why I'm pulling you over is your tag is expired. I'll need your license, registration, and insurance, please.
Why are you pulling me over?
Because your tag is expired.
Okay.
Okay.
Am I breaking the law?
Yes, your tag is expired.
Any crime?
Yes, your tag is
Do you
expired.
have a supervisor?
I am the supervisor right now.
You have
So I'll
another
need your license. You have a choice, okay? And I'm going to explain this to you really probably once or twice to you, okay? I will call my supervisor, but if you fail to produce your information...
Call your supervisor. I'm not failing to do anything. I'm asking for you.
No, yes, you are.
No, I'm asking for
It's
your
upon
supervisor.
demand.
I'm demanding your supervisor.
No, you don't get to demand my
You're a public
supervisor.
servant.
You wait. Because
You serve the public.
Yes.
I didn't cause any crime. I didn't hurt
509.
anybody. I'm not...
526, would you 56 me here? Now I need your license, please.
I'm not doing anything commercially.
Here it is, the classic Karen logic in full display. She's clearly breaking the law, yet keeps insisting she did nothing wrong.
So...
Your tag is expired. Come here. I'll show you.
No.
It's right here. Stay here. Don't move.
Expired vehicle registration. Driver license not valid. 2018. White. G. Utility vehicle.
So is this your Jeep?
It is not.
Okay. I already know that.
Right. So you
It's still a lawful stop.
it's lawful.
It's a lawful stop. It's a legal stop.
It's illegal. It's illegal or lawful?
It's legal, and I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not arguing, sir. I'm asking you.
I'm asking you for your driver's license. You're driving your vehicle in the state of Florida, and you are
traveling. I'm traveling.
So you're going to play that game.
No, I'm not playing any game.
Yeah.
This is my freedom we're talking about
yeah,
here.
it is, and sure.
And we're talking about you.
My
as
sergeant's on his way, and
We're talking about you as a public servant.
my sergeant's on the way, and you can talk to him.
We can talk to him.
Yeah.
And I hope you know.
I hope you know
what you're doing.
I hope I do too.
Okay.
526. I'll be going 1097 PNC Bank.
You able to back out real quick?
Not right now. I'm on a call, so as soon as possible. Though I won't hold you up long.
The tag is expired, and she won't produce her driver's license, registration, or insurance.
Okay.
She's traveling.
Okay. Hi. Good. How you doing?
I'm doing
good. So I'm the day shift supervisor.
Hi.
This officer has conducted a lawful traffic stop.
Is it lawful or illegal?
It's a lawful traffic stop.
It is. And
yes.
what law am I? Am I breaking?
Apparently, you're
What law is that?
Okay. Can we see license and registration?
That has nothing to
Okay.
do
1015.
with because. Are you
You're under arrest.
okay? For
No.
what? Why are you arresting me? Is your
This is where it all goes in circles. She's stuck arguing over words while the officers stay calm and focused.
This is
Please
not.
don't-
This isn't. Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
This is not even my car. I did not.
Lock this.
This is crazy. I hope your camera is on.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah.
Hop in. $526, 1015.
What is this place?
The Ocean Ridge Police Department.
This is kidnapped.
Step into the cell. Step into the cell.
Why step into there? Why are you putting me in here?
Why am I putting you in here?
Yes.
Why do you think I'm putting you in here?
Why are you putting me in here? This is absurd.
Turn around.
Wow. This is absurd.
What you to do is provide your driver's license
I don't have a driver's
or an
license.
ID.
You didn't ask for an ID. You said driver's license or registration. You did not ask for an ID.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll see that on camera, so.
Face the wall.
Can someone come in?
In the end, the woman was arrested and charged with obstructing an officer and refusing to provide identification during a lawful traffic stop. She spent the night in custody before being released on bond. A harsh reminder that claiming to be a sovereign citizen doesn't make you immune to real laws. Arguing with the police never rewrites the law. The rules apply to everyone, even the ones who think they're special.